In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly where the FIFA 18 config file is stored on PC, so you can edit graphics, controls, and performance settings easily. Open the File Explorer and navigate to the Game folder. After you are in the Game folder, open the FIFA Setup folder and open this FIFA config application and select Yes. Go to Game Settings and change the game settings you want. Then select the OK option and it will be saved. Another location you can modify your game settings. Go to Documents, go to FIFA 18 folder, right click on the FIFA setup and select the Edit in Notepad. Here you can modify the game settings, the values, and then select File and select Save to save changes. I hope this video helped you guys. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.